Good afternoon. My name is Nicholas Garcia, and for this assignment, I have decided to go with the problem that has been plaguing the Army for the past few years. I chose to do my case study on the Army's inability to make its annual recruitment goal and how it affects the rest of the service. In the past few years, unfortunately, the Army hasn't been able to make its recruiting goal. There's been a downward trend since the shift of the focus has moved away from combat operations and moved more towards the training aspect of the military. To add to that, there's little being done to add to the incentive to join the military compared to the competition, which can be anything from working at McDonald's and receiving close to the same pay, or going the education route that would essentially lead to a higher paying job. Unfortunately, to try and curb some of the tension created by the inability to meet its goals, the Army has taken some of the requirements and laxed them. In turn, this causes the level of discipline to also wane as well. The lack of being able to make their annual recruitment goal has left the force overworked, which drives the morale down and leads soldiers to wanting to separate at the end of their first term of enlistment. They have attempted to bolster their recruitment with promises of high payout bonuses and specialized training on top of that they're already guaranteed but to no avail. In this case study, we will focus on both internal and external factors of the missed goal itself. We will be analyzing what factors are in play, such as more strict medical guidelines, the overall reason people join the military, the stigma of seeing combat, the psyche of the modern 18 to 25-year-old, the antiquated incentives that are offered to the new enlistments, just to name a few. We will also be analyzing the effect it is having on the force as a whole.